Hi, this is Selena from China. Today, let's have a look at screw conveyors. Screw conveyors, also called as auger conveyors, they are industrial equipment used for transporting bulk materials of powder, solids, semi-solids, liquids, and even non-flowing materials from one point to another place. It has a wide applications in various industries, including rubber and plastic industry, food industry, chemical industry, and mining industry, etc. There are mainly three types of screw conveyors: vertical screw conveyor, inclined screw conveyor, and horizontal screw conveyor. Behind me are 6 sets of inclined screw conveyor. They are ready for delivery for our European customer. These 4 sets are U-shaped screw conveyor and the rest are tubular screw conveyors. Screw conveyor mainly consists of rotating screws, external U-shaped chop and tubular chop, and electric motor. When the inside screw shaft rotates, materials will move forward linearly. These 4 sets of U-shaped screw conveyor, the lengths are from 2.5 meters to 6 meters. There is also inverter to make the conveying speed adjustable. They are equipped with gear motor, high torque, so materials won't get stuck inside the screw conveyors. And they are made of stainless steel, so it is rust-free and easy to clean. This screw conveyor, it has double layers. The inside layer, it has perforated holes used for water drainage. And this is the outside layer. This is the inside layer. And the cover is removable. All the screw conveyors can be customized according to your needs. If you are interested in our machine, comment and let me know your materials condition, bulk density, and required output per hour, conveying distance and height. We will provide you with a suitable screw conveyor solution for your automatic production line. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time. Bye bye.